Hi guys, it's Sherry. I already opened up this, but I really want to show you what I got, and I'm really excited to show you guys. So I ordered this about 3 weeks ago. I'm finally getting around to showing you guys. And I got this from Sweety. Very excited about this. So the first thing I did was get a little sponge here, all right? And it tells you to keep it wet. And this is going to be perfect for rolling out, like, for example, this. This is a sample, and it was a little free gift. But the stencils here are perfect for using that, okay? And then here are some more free gifts. This will help me measure people's wrist. And then her little cut and bleed was also free. So absolutely love that. But what I'm excited about is I got these blanks, okay? These blanks are for me to cover with clay. And they're all bracelets. So I've been waiting for these. They're fabulous. I actually ordered 3 of them earlier this year just to try them out. And I love them so much I had to get more of them. I highly recommend if you make bracelets or cuffs or anything like that, and you don't want your pieces to ever break, these are definitely something you are going to want to get. Here's another one. And that's what these are for. So these will measure them, okay? So if you do them and you sell them, you could take those, measure somebody's wrist, and you'll know what size to get. But look at the designs. Are they not fabulous? So I tried to get a bunch of different ones, and I believe she's still doing the Black Friday sale for 25% off. So you end up paying next to nothing for these. But look how beautiful. I love these. I did one. This was my my practice piece. And look at this piece is not going to break, guys. So having these inserts are going to be fabulous. And then, of course, I got the rings because I really want to try the rings. So I did that. And then my favorite thing that I got is this. Anybody knows that I love doing collars and necklaces. And this I'll be able to put right on and put this in the oven. And then it comes with a stand. So you could put this all together. Okay, there. And then it goes right on top. And then you could display your jewelry if I can actually put it together properly. Let me see. That piece will go in there. And this piece, there we go. I'm just a little off cue today, but I was doing it backwards. But look how fabulous this is. This piece right here can be baked. And then this, like I said, will go together for the stand so you can actually set your piece and display your pieces. So it'll be perfect. But this is what I really wanted along with these. I love this. If you're looking for a good product to put your for an insert for your bracelets, they're much better than the metal ones. They're much lighter. They weigh next to nothing. They fit beautiful. I love them. Go check her out. I'll leave everything in a link for you to check out her website. Thanks, guys. Bye.